Well, here's our video of our trip. Glad this place opened up. Check it out.
What a nice day today. It's been raining all these days. We don't understand it. We figured we're going to take our bikes and go find out where it's raining at. Well, here we're getting ready to go check out the shrimp boat. I think that's the name of it. We're in Alachua right now. We're going to head over to Horseshoe Beach. There we go.
Definitely had some nice roads that we took. We ended up going through High Springs and on over to Horseshoe Beach.
What we all doing?
Now here we're coming into Horseshoe Beach, and I tell you what, this is one neat little town to check out. I'm sure it must be a great place for a kid growing up.
Hey, look at here, Michael.
What you got? And here we are, getting ready to get something to eat.
People over there drink all the time. First time I went over there, I already had, you know.
I always like throwing some pictures in here to show what the place looks like inside and outside, and sometimes some of the food that we're eating. And with the meals, I don't think the camera's doing the food justice. I tell you what, like I said before, I didn't hear any complaints, and I know our group will definitely be coming back and visiting this place.
Well, how did you like the food, buddy?
Mine was great, Michael. I got just what I wanted, and she brought just what I ordered.
Mars?
Yes, the flounder was wonderful. And the crab cakes too. And the potato.
Boo Boo!
It was good too. Got a good burger.
Like burger, so the Junior Ranger liked that burger.
Junior Ranger would love that burger. It was, as they say, fit.
I know, I always
It
tell
was
my
good.
I tell you what, it barely fit. Barely fit in my stomach. I'm full. All right. Now that was some good food. I am stuffed.
Now here's something a little bit different. Man, I got another toy. I got this neat little drone, takes some pretty good video, and right now kind of scares me a little bit using it, especially going over the water and stuff, because it was a few bucks. And I'm still concerned about this thing dropping in the water or somebody else having a control and having some fun with it. But I'll tell you what, I think it'll be pretty neat. I think we'll be using it here and there, not a whole lot, but a little bit for some more video and get a more of a surrounding look at where we're at.
Hey, I gotta tell you this much. Food was great. We will be back. Portions were nice. And I don't think I heard any complaints other than complaints of being stuffed. So definitely check it out.
Just took our pictures, we floated drone, now we're coming back by, and here's the shrimp boat. One last look before we head on back towards Gainesville.
Now, right down that road back there, if you got a group and you just took pictures where we were at, you can go back there and they got an RV park with, I think, showers and bathrooms. Now, this is also an alternative to get something to eat. I gotta say, I thought last time they were a little slow, but I gotta tell you, the food and the volume was good. But this is just another neat little place. I think they got ice cream here, so that's what I'm stopping for. They don't know that until they see the video. We just stay like this the rest of the day.
We
Wait till I
did.
get my finger in my nose anyway. I'll tell you what, I like this canopy right here. I wish we had it on all of us. We looked pretty hard. We just couldn't find the rain today.
Well, that was our video, and that kind of gives you an idea of the shrimp boat. Me and Marcia, Sprocket and Clutch. We can't wait for our next adventure. Until then, see you guys on the road. Have fun and go ride.